Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to share something I've been working on, a brand new interactive web app designed to help you master your own vocabulary lists. Whether you're preparing for exams, improving your language skills, or just love learning a language, this app has got you covered. Let me walk you through what makes this project so special. So, what's inside this app? Let's dive into the features. 1. Flashcards. First up, we have flashcards. With just one click, you can flip a card to reveal the English translation of a German word and their English translations. Plus, you can easily navigate through the cards with next and previous buttons. 2. Multiple choice quiz. Next, we've got a multiple choice quiz. The app will randomly pick a word, and your job is to select the correct translation from 5 options. Don't worry if you get it wrong. The app will give you immediate feedback and show you the correct answer. 3. Gap filling. For those who love a challenge, there's a gap filling exercise. You'll see a sentence with a blank space, and your task is to type in the correct word from the vocabulary list. It's a great way to test your recall and spelling. 4. Matching game. And who doesn't love a good matching game? Drag and match words with their equivalents. Once you're done, the app will let you know how you did. 5. Progress tracking. Finally, we have a progress tracking feature. You can see how many words you've studied, your quiz scores, and even track your progress, so you can stay motivated. Now, let's talk a bit about the tech behind the app. Agent. Minimax AI app built the app with my prompts using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for a smooth and interactive experience. If you want to upload your own vocabulary list, you can do that too. Just upload an Excel file and the app will parse it for you. So that's my vocabulary training HTML code app. I've put a lot of effort into making it fun, engaging, and super useful for language learners. If you're excited to try it out, hit the like button and let me know in the comments. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome projects like this. Thanks for watching and happy learning. Bye.